Today we are cooking fluffy Moong Dal Puri. Take soaked moong dal and grind with garlic, green chilli, cumin seed, black pepper powder and water. Make a fine paste. In another bowl, add paste with salt, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, Asafetida powder, Garam masala powder, dry Kasuri methi powder and coriander leaves. Mix it nicely. Now add whole wheat flour and semolina. Make a nice dough. If need water, add little water. And at last add 1 teaspoon of oil and finish the dough. Start making small balls for puri. And leftover can be refrigerated for up to 2-3 days for later use. Make a thick puris so it will be fluff easily. In hot oil, fry all puris on medium-high heat from both sides until brown. It can be served with any type of curries or any type of chutney. Enjoy.